Miss Alana working on math, being smart, awesome, and amazing, just like you. We are working on today's math assignment. It is Wednesday, December the 14th. Moving on to the back side, we are getting started on the back side. If you need the videos for anything on the front, go find those videos. Let's begin by reading the standard. It says, number and operations in base 10. Perform operations with multi-digit whole numbers and with decimals to hundreds. Fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm or other strategies demonstrating of multiplication up to a 3-digit by 2-digit factor. So here we are. We need to use the standard algorithm and the area model to multiply the following numbers. All right. So many different ways to multiply. In this problem, we need to do 2 different strategies, 2 ways, the standard algorithm and the area model. So we need to have a conversation first because for whatever reason, I've just been messing up on working on these. And see, I guess the computer doesn't want to say I'm messing up because now the battery's about to die. I'm going to get the charger. Hold on. Where's the charger? Where's the charger? It's right there. Ah, no, don't die. Don't die. No. All right, back, safe, and plugged up, ready to go. All right. See, can't be negative. Can't talk about that. Miss Alana, for whatever reason, has been struggling or making little minor mistakes, little small mistakes on working on the area model. But I know you've probably done better than me. But guess what? Today, I got this. I got this. Raise your hand. You got this? Yes. All right. Just in case I need help, help me out. Help me out. And as a matter of fact, let me go get the calculator to check our answers. I'll be back. All right. Bam. I have the calculator so that we can check as we go. We're gonna check as we go. So if you have a calculator at home, you can use that to help check your work. Go to the dollar store. It's so cheap. Or you can borrow one of the ones we have in the classroom. Let's begin by doing the standard algorithm. Let's write 607 vertically times 82. Make sure, look, the ones digits are lined up. The tens digits are lined up. And we begin by multiplying what? Let's multiply this 2. All right. Let's multiply that 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Can you see that? Okay. Nah, maybe let's make it a little bit darker. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 up top. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 3. 2 times 6 is 12. All right. I'm going to check as we go. No, you know what? I got this. I can do this. All right. We are done with that one. Cross that out. Cross that out. Put your placeholder right there. Moving on to the next number. This 8. Actually, let me change that color. Let's use a purple. Use a purple right there. 8 times 7 is, you better know your times table. That is 56. Write the 6. Plus 5. 8 times 0 is 0. Plus 5 is 5. 8 times 6 is, practice your times tables if you don't know it. What is that? 8 times 6, 6 times 8, 48. Write the 4. Add those 2 numbers together. Let's add 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 8 is 9. And then bring down that 4. Put your comma 1, 2, 3. 49,794. Now, before we move on, let's go ahead and check that with our handy dandy calculator. Calculator, help me calculate some stuff. 607, bam, right there. times 82. Bam, right there. This better be right. What? What is going on with Miss Alana's brain? No. 607 times 90. No, see? 7 times 82. What? What is wrong with Miss Alana? Why does it say that? Why does it say that? I need some multiplication sprinkles right now, because I don't know why Miss Alana keeps messing up on these. All right, let's do it again. All right, 2 times 7, that's 14, right? The 4 carry the 1. Oh, do you see what I did? 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1, that's 1. Why did I write 3? What is wrong with me? And that rhymed. Oh my gosh. So that... Do I say it right and then write the wrong thing down? Did I say 1 and then wrote 3 down? What is wrong? What is wrong? I'm glad we used the calculator to help us before we kept on going. Oh my gosh. So that was 2 times 7 is 14, right? The 4 plus 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1. That's a 1. And then 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 6, that's 7. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with Miss Alana? I think we need more practice of this. No, I need a pen. All right. Does that match? Oh my gosh. I need your help. Let's move on to the next one. I need a break. 1 second break. Math power. I need some math power. I need some math power. Let's move on to the next one. I am confident that I can do this next one. Let me show you. All right, 607 times 82. Let's go ahead and write down each number in expanded form. 600 plus, that's just a 0 by itself, plus 0 plus 7. And then this is going to be 80 plus 2. All right, draw your rectangles right here. Okay, so let me make sure I wrote it right. 600, 0, 7, 80, and 2. Okay, we're good with that. Let's start multiplying. 80 times 6 is like doing 8 times 6, add the 0, so that's what, 48. Add 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Put your comma right there. And then 600 times 2 is like 6 times 2, which is 12. Add 2 zeros. Like that. Please help me. Stop me. Stop. Yell at the screen if I'm doing something wrong, okay? Maybe I can hear you through the screen. All right, 0 times 80. Okay, we know that's 0. 0 times 2, that's 0. 7 times 80 is what? 7 times 8 is 56. Add a 0. 7 times 2 is 14. All right. Let's use the calculator to double check our work. Let's do 600 times 80. All right, is that right? 48,000, yes. 600 times 2. Oh, we have that one right. 1,200. Oh, it's so weird. Look, the comma is on the top. That's weird. 0 times 80. Okay, that better be 0. 0 times 80. Or 80 times 0. 0. 0 times 2. 0. 500. No. 7 times 80. 7 times 80. Or 80 times 7. Use your calculator with me. 560. Yes. And then 7 times 2. 7 times 2. 14. Okay, so now we have that right. Now we need to add all these numbers together. I am going to use different ways. You can add them each column, then add those together, or you can write them all out, or you can just add them one by one. I think today I am going to try the strategy of adding them all together. So let's write. I better write this correctly. Remember last time I wrote the wrong number down and it messed up the whole thing. So please watch as I do it and make sure that I write them correctly. So I have 48,000. Let me write it here on the side. 48,000. All right, is that right? Check. The next one, 1,200. Make sure they all line up. The commas help me line them up. 1,200. Oh, check. Plus 0. Do we have to write that? We don't, but we can. 0 goes at the end. 0. And then that other 0. We're good. 560. 560. And then 14. All right, now we're going to add them together. Now, last time I think my numbers were sideways. So what I am going to do is I am going to highlight each place one by one to make sure that we are adding them correctly. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. What's that? That's 4, okay? We're going to do it one by one here. All right, the next one. What do we highlight? The tens place. That's a 0, 0. And if you want to highlight yours, you could do that 0, 0, 6, and 1. What's that? That's a 7. All right, are we good? Look, we're matching. I'm going to check as we go. Look, there's a 4. There's a 7. All right, next number. 0 to 5. What's 0 plus 2 plus 5? That's a 7. All right, yes. We're matching so far. And the next number, the next what? So that's the ones, tens, hundreds. This is the thousands place. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. Oh my gosh, yes, we're almost done. Look, there's a 9. And the last one, the 10,000s place, is just a 4 by itself. Bring down that 4. 1, 2, 3, comma, 49,774. Oh, yeah. We did that right. And made a mistake at the beginning, but I'm not worried about that because we caught our mistake early. I caught our mistake early. Maybe you didn't mess up. Are you a master multiplier? Master multiplier? Yes. Give me some awesome sprinkles. I need it. I need some math multiplication sprinkles. Here's some for you. Okay, because I fixed my power. Here's some for you. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce for you. Awesome sauce for me. And I love you. Thank you for all your help. We're moving on to the next one. Thank you, calculator, for helping me find what's wrong. Thank you, you all, for helping me whenever I mess up. Tell me whenever I make a mistake so I can correct it. I need your help. Love you.